Hi, I'm Fletcher. I've been programming in Python for a number of years, and I've helped teach a lot of other people how to get the most out of Python as well. But I was always frustrated that there's no good resource I could point people to for quickly getting started in Python on their own. Of course, there are tons of programming books and tutorials out there, but they're usually not that interesting, and they're never very practical. Instead of learning how to program, it's like reading a pile of documentation notes. They'll introduce a single concept, and then every possible variation of that concept, and already you're never going to use 80% of what you just learned. But more importantly, they never tie those concepts back to the real-world uses of that knowledge. I want to write a clear, concise ebook that changes that. You'll finally have a single resource that introduces you to all the areas of Python you actually care about and will use. I want to teach by example, with lots of sample scripts and example exercises that you can try for yourself. I'll even include sample input files such as Excel workbooks that you need to modify in particular ways using programming, or web pages that I'll prepare that you need to scrape data from for real hands-on experience. You can read more about the topics I plan to include below, but I also want to hear from all of you throughout this Kickstarter to find out what you really want to learn most. So take the survey or send me some feedback, and let's get started with some real programming.